How to toilet train your cat. There are many benefits of teaching a cat to use the toilet. It eliminates smells caused by a litter box and creates less work for you. It takes time, education, and patience to litter train a cat. Follow the training process precisely and be prepared for potential setbacks. Part 1. Preparing for the transition. 1. Prepare a designated bathroom for your cat. If you've decided to toilet train your cat, the first step in the process is creating a designated bathroom for the cat to eliminate. Choose a bathroom in your home that your cat has easiest access to. Move the cat's litter box into the bathroom and place it near the toilet. 2. Gather the supplies. You need a variety of supplies in order to toilet train your cat. Your cat will be transitioning from his regular litter box to a training seat and eventually to the toilet. A cat training seat is a small contraption placed over the toilet bowl. A small indent in the center of the device will be filled with flushable litter. As you progress in training, you begin by cutting bigger and bigger holes in the training seat until your cat gets used to urinating and defecating straight into the toilet rather than litter. You can purchase a training seat or make one on your own. The City Kitty Cat Toilet Training Kit is one such training seat. The seat has 4 rings that can be removed to increase the size of the hole in its center. It takes time, education, and patience to litter train a cat. Follow the training process precisely and be prepared for potential setbacks. Part 1. Preparing for the transition. 1. Prepare a designated bathroom for your cat. At the training's completion, you remove the tray altogether. City Kitty is a simple device that is inexpensive. It generally sells for $30. The Litter Quitter is another brand of training seat. It has color-coordinated training trays of increasing size. As your cat progresses in training, you will swap out a larger tray for a smaller one. Eventually, you'll be able to move the tray altogether and your cat will eliminate straight into the toilet. The Litter Quitter is highly convenient but can be somewhat expensive. It generally sells for $40 to $50. If you'd rather save money, you can create a training tray yourself. You will need duct tape, plastic liner or kitchen plastic wrap, and an aluminum roasting pan size 12.5/8 x 10.1/8 x 3. 3. Understand how to create a training tray. If you opt to create your own training tray, the process is fairly simple. You should know how to create a training tray before transitioning from the litter box to the toilet. To create the training tray, simply place the aluminum roasting pan over the toilet's rim. Secure in place with duct tape. If the tray is not big enough to fully encompass the toilet bowl, fill in any gaps with plastic wrap. Part 2. Beginning training. 1. Raise the litter box in increments each week. In order to transition your cat from litter box to toilet, you'll need to raise the litter box up near the toilet seat. Eventually, your cat will learn to jump onto the toilet seat when he has to eliminate each week. Using stacks of newspaper, cardboard, or old magazines, raise the litter box by 3 inches each day until it's on level with the toilet seat. 2. Place the litter box on top of the toilet seat. Once the litter box is on level with the toilet seat, place it on top of the toilet seat. Leave it there for a few days. This is about how long it will take your cat to get comfortable eliminating on the toilet. 3. Replace the litter box with a training seat filled with flushable litter. Once your cat is comfortably using the litter box without any accidents, it's time to use your training seat. Secure your training seat on the toilet. If you're using the Litter Quitter or a similar product, use the smallest training pan. This training pan will have no hole in it and you'll simply fill it with flushable litter. If you're using an aluminum tray, simply put the tray in place and fill it with flushable litter. Do not cut any holes in the tray yet. 4. Transition into eliminating in the toilet. Every day, make the hole slightly bigger. Gradually decrease the amount of litter you're using as well. Each time your cat eliminates in the pan, replace the litter with a slightly smaller amount than before. 5. Remove the training seat. After about 2 weeks of increasing the size of the hole or training trays, you can remove the training seat completely. Your cat should now be comfortable eliminating straight into the toilet rather than a litter box. Part 3. Taking precautions. 1. Consider if toilet training is right for you and your cat. Toilet training is not for everyone. If you and your cat do not have the right mentality, you might be better off sticking to the litter box. If your cat is very young, less than 6 months old, or already has issues using a litter box, toilet training might not be the best option. Cats who are older and are already comfortable with their litter box are easiest to toilet train. If your cat is skittish, he might struggle with litter box training. Shyer cats generally prefer to cover their feces and urine to protect themselves from potential predators. Toilet training takes time, organization, and dedication. If you're not generally a well-organized person, or if you're very busy, you might be better off sticking with litter. 2. Familiarize yourself with the downsides to toilet training. Many vets advise against toilet training cats. Familiarize yourself with the criticisms of toilet training so you can make a well-informed decision about whether it's right for you and your pet. First off, toilet training goes against a cat's natural instincts. Cats have a natural tendency to dig and bury when eliminating. Using the toilet, even after proper training, can cause stress for a cat. You do not want using the bathroom to be a stressful event as it can lead to behavioral and health issues for your cat. The toilet lid must always be left open.